Okay, we're going to take our Wurlitzer keys and we're going to show you how to remove the keycaps and install new keycaps, brand new ones. These keys are a yellow color and they have cracks running through them, so we have to replace them for a brand new look. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a utility knife, and what we're going to do is we're going to score the edges of the keycap and the wood. We're going to break the seal on all sides of the key. What this does is it makes it easier to remove the keycap. Alright, great. And without little or much effort, they will come off. Some come off easier than others, but most of them, if you score them right, they will come off without much effort. There we go. And now we have a key that is pretty much ready to be almost adapted to a new plastic keycap. Alright, so we'll go to that step next. Now that we've removed the old keycap from the wooden key, we're going to replace it with a brand new keycap. Alright, they come like this in octave strips, and what you're going to want to do is remove one. You're going to leave the protective plastic covering on, so when you clamp it, it won't get scratched up, and at the end you'll remove it just by peeling it up. So here we go. So what you want to do first, after cutting the oh, by the way, we're going to cut this to length because they do come a little long. So what we do is we used a hacksaw and we cut it to length, to right at the same length as the original old one. Okay, now we take some glue that comes with the kit that we sell and rub it in with your finger, get it in all the grooves. Okay, then we'll take the keycap, put some glue on the inside of that. This is a really good glue, by the way. It's a latex based, it's not petroleum based, so if you ever have to remove it for some reason or adjust it, it will be easy to remove again, unlike the original ones, which were a little bit harder to remove. Okay, then we'll put the keycap on and then we're going to clamp it up. And when you're clamping it, you want to make sure it doesn't slide one way or the other. You want to make sure it's even on both sides. Then you wipe off any excess glue. Since this is a latex glue, it's water-based, so it dries once the water is has evaporated. which, depending on what part of the country you're in, can be from a couple hours to overnight. Okay, and that's it. You let that rest and dry, remove the clamps, and go on to your next one. And the last step in installing keycaps is to file the edges smoothly. Again, one last time, you're going to leave the plastic coating on the key to protect the surface.